Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Manu Issue ACCA classes. So in this video, we will be again learning a new concept from the property income, and I will try my best to make it clear cut so that it will be easy for you guys to apply those concepts in the exam question. Right. So again, I will be making this small video for each particular concept, and you can directly get those access of those video from my YouTube. And in case you are watching my video for the first time, do not forget to subscribe my channel and share it among your friends. In case you miss out my previous video, you can still watch it out in the playlist box, or a link will be blink on the right hand side of your screen. Okay, so let's move to our today topic. So in today's video, we will be learning about the basis for calculation and what are the expenses that are allowable. That means we can deduct from the income or the rental income. Okay, so basically there are two types of there are two methods for calculation. One is the cash basis and other one is accrual basis. In simple term, the cash basis means when you actually receive those income and when you actually paid out any expenses. On those basis, we will book the income and expense. In accrual basis, no matter when we will pay or receive, but we will receive, or we will record a transaction based on it has been accrued to be paid or accrued to be received. Okay, for example, let's talk about the tax year F823. So it starts from the 6th April 2023, and it's on the 5th April 2024, right? So now, if we talk about the cash basis, if you have received the transaction, suppose on the let's say 5 January 2024. 5 January 2024. So it is within this period, right? So you have to book this income. But let's say you have received the rental income which was for the month of March, suppose on the 6th April. Or no, let's forget about 6th April, 10th April. So this is basically after the tax year end, right? So you will not record this transaction in this accounting and in this tax year, because as we are using the cash basis for the calculation, so we will record the transaction based on the date on which the cash has been received and the cash has been paid. Okay, so in case of accrual basis, this transaction was this rental income was for the December month, and the December month fall in this tax year period, right? So in that case, we have to book this transaction though we have not received from our customer, the tenant. Okay, so this is for the cash basis and accrual basis. Now you might be thinking, who will use the cash basis and who will use the accrual basis? For the company, it is very compulsory to use the accrual basis. Okay, so because and for the individual, they can use any method, but by default the cash basis is always being used, and for partnership as well. But if the one is having or receiving the property income more than 150,000 annually, in that case they have to opt for the accrual basis. Okay, so these are the two bases for the calculation. So now allowable expense. Okay, so what are the allowable expense that we can deduct from the property income? Okay, so these are the water tax, council tax, local tax, insurance, bad debt. Bad debt basically refers to the money that was supposed to be received from tenant but wasn't received, which was written off as expense. Okay, so interest on the loan, if you have taken the loan and used in the property, in that case the interest can also be deducted. And repair, in case of you doing any repair in the property, like you have been changed the wall, door lock, and you have been changing the light or anything else you are doing but in the property, that can also be deducted from the property expense. Okay, and replacement outflow furniture. So these are the few example, few list which means we can these are the list which can be deducted from the property income. Okay, so in next video we will be learning about the finance cost, because the interest on loan is not as much as simple that we can deduct. There are few conditions, few criteria, few things that need to be considered while deciding whether it is deductible or not. In next video we will be learning about this, so stay tuned with my channel and don't forget to subscribe it and share it among your friends. So thank you so much guys watching for my video.